Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up two-factor authentication on Outlook. So what you need to do is search for Microsoft account security, and then you want to click on the first link that comes up, and after you sign in it should look something like this, and you want to head over to the security tab. So right over at the top right, you see two-step verification. If I click on it, then this takes me to this page. So let's say we want to click it on, so we'll click on it. So you need to set up an authenticator app, things like that, and then you click on next, and we're gonna wait. So verify my identity with either app, alternate email address, phone. How do you want to do it? And then click on get now, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.